Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through various forms of content. Today I will be showing you how to differentiate a function using the quotient rule. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. The function that we will differentiate in this video is the function y equals natural log of x all over x squared plus 1. As we mentioned in the intro, we will be differentiating this function using the quotient rule. Applying the quotient rule, we obtain dy by dx equals natural log of x prime times x squared plus 1 minus natural log of x times x squared plus 1 prime all over x squared plus 1 squared. To differentiate the function x squared plus 1, we begin by applying the sum rule, which gives us dy by dx equals natural log of x prime times x squared plus 1 minus natural log of x times x squared prime plus 1 prime all over x squared plus 1 squared. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 by x. The derivative of x squared can be found using the power rule, which gives 2x for the derivative. And since the derivative of a constant is 0, the derivative of 1 is 0. Putting all this together, we obtain dy by dx equals 1 over x times x squared plus 1 minus 2x times natural log of x all over x squared plus 1 squared. We can now simplify this by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by x. This gives our final solution of dy by dx equals x squared plus 1 minus 2x squared times the natural logarithm of x all over x times x squared plus 1 squared. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.